Welcome to my channel Digital Challenge Academy with Rimanshu.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome to day 36 of our Explainer series. Today, I am going to act as your study partner. We have a very specific goal together, and that is to help you master these digital communication facts so you literally don't lose a single mark on your upcoming exams. Let's crack this step by step. We use these tools every single day for our digital lifestyle, right? We are constantly on our phones, sending emails, checking updates, but do we actually know the strict technical rules behind them? You need to know these rules inside out to confidently answer those 30 MCQs in the exam. It's not just about casually using the tech, it's about knowing the exact facts.
Please do one thing, just keep this quick agenda in mind. We're covering 3 critical rounds today. Number 1 is email mastery. Number 2 is social netiquette. And number 3 is GovTech apps. Let's jump right in.
Coming to the next point, round 1, email mastery. Let's clear up the tricky technical details where a lot of students actually make silly mistakes. Exam boards absolutely love to ask about blind carbon copy. The full form itself is an important MCQ for sure, but they specifically test your logic by asking, if you send an email, can the primary to recipient see the email address of the person hidden in the BCC field? And the answer, guys, is always a strict no. That is exactly why it is called blind. Please keep that crystal clear in your mind.
As you can see here, the golden number is 25. 25 megabytes is the absolute maximum size for a direct Gmail attachment. Servers have very strict bandwidth limits, and this is a massive exam favorite you must memorize. If they ask you the limit for a direct file attachment in Gmail, you just simply select 25 MB and lock in your full marks.
Coming to the next point, round 2, social netiquette. We use these platforms daily, but let's jump right into the specific theoretical rules you'll be tested on.
NIELIT and other exam boards frequently test your ability to distinguish these platforms from one another. They will definitely ask you to identify which network is meant specifically for professional networking, and your answer must obviously be LinkedIn. On the flip side, they will question you on X, which we all used to call Twitter, asking about things like the maximum character limit for a classic tweet. You really have to know these core identities, okay?
You should also be fully aware of the term netiquette. What exactly is it? Well, it is quite simply network etiquette. These are the fundamental rules for how we all behave politely online. Just like you have basic manners in a classroom or a corporate office, netiquette is your manners for the internet space.
Coming to the next point, round 3, GovTech apps. This section is highly relevant for our daily lives as Indian citizens, and honestly, it is very scoring.
A classic exam question will test your practical GovTech knowledge by asking exactly how many languages the UMANG app currently supports. The answer is 13. Since it's a unified app for all government services across the country, knowing this multilingual capability is a key metric they expect you to just know off the top of your head.
As you can see here, 1 gigabyte. 1 GB is the maximum storage capacity provided to an individual user by DigiLocker. Please don't get confused with other massive cloud storage limits you might use personally. For DigiLocker in the exam context, the golden number is exactly 1 GB.
Now please do one thing and lock this into your memory. This is a very common true or false question. Any document stored in your DigiLocker, like your 10th mark sheet or your driving license, is completely legally valid as per the IT Act 2000. If they ask if a digital copy in DigiLocker is legally equivalent to the original physical document, your answer is a 100% yes.
Listen guys, digital services are honestly the easiest part of the exam if you just stay updated with these small facts. So, to help you out, please download the Gov App Guide PDF from the link below. Also, make sure you prepare for day 37, where we will cover Digital Financial Tools MCQs. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech with Rimanshu on YouTube so you never miss out on these important study explainers.
Finally, for your interactive homework challenge today, tell me down in the comments what exactly is the full form of IRCTC. We trust this exact platform to move millions of us across the country every single day, but do we even know what the entire name stands for? Let's see who gets it right. Keep revising and I'll see you in the next explainer.